I'm missing that turn. Fuck. Okay. Okay, lady. Hurry the fuck up. God damn it. Is that even a way to turn out? I'm lost. Am I clear, guys? N55 335i. N54 335i. DCT, psych, you wish. Just some clapped ass cars, FBO. Going to the spot. Well, we're gonna record. Where are we going? We made it to the spot, guys. Now here's what y'all been waiting for. These two beauties right here. We got our N54, N55. But before I get into the sound test, I'm gonna give you guys a build rundown on both of them. So on the N54 we got downpipe, stage 2, intakes, charge pipe. On the N55 we got stage 2, downpipes, straight pipe, full straight pipe. Let me just tell y'all. Nothing on there.
Right here we got N55, full straight pipe, callus downpipes, no intakes, stage 2 tune. That's all.
And he's been running that shit for a minute. On my car, my exhaust setup is full straight pipe, but I have resonators. And yeah, let's get right into it. Before we get into the sound test, guys, first we're gonna do pops, then anti-lag, and then finally we're gonna just do raw exhaust and probably some drive-by clips outside to hear what it sounds like outside driving. And here we go. Alright, here you go, guys. We're going with the N55 first. I was scared. Hopefully no cops come, bruh. Oh my god, that's just loud.
Alright, now we got N54. Hit him with the pops. Shooter, but that shit loud as fuck.
Alright, here comes the anti-lag right here. Oh my fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god!
Alright, this is N54 anti-lag.
Alright, here's the raw footage. It's just raw exhaust. Oh my god, I feel that shit in my chest.
Technical difficulty, guys. Can't find the no pop map.
Is this one? I don't know. I tried all of them, but I guess none of them are. So I guess you guys can hear it with a little bit of burble for the raw exhaust. Guys, don't get an N54. I just blew something. It's looking cooler and it's hot as shit right now. But we're gonna get the drive-by of the N54. But bro, what the fuck? I don't know where it's leaking. It's probably a coolant line or something. It might be the radiator. I really hope it's not. Dude.
Let's hear it. How much you pushing? 500. Oh yeah? Is it?
He's pushing probably 200.
Fire. That shit's so loud.
What do you guys got on there?
You want to do a build rundown?
Build
rundown?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we got is what we got?
What we got?
Under the hood, we got 1,000 horsepower. We got a 2JZ in there.
Okay.
And then fuck you. It's got a lot of power, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like we got a cam on there and everything. It's
Okay.
We got 2-step, anti-lag. Shit's fucking
Run
crazy.
anything.
You run it.
Run it.
Run it.
You ain't beating this shit. You wanna see what's under the hood?
Anything.
You wanna see what's under the hood?
Pink slips.
I got titties on my shit too.
Oh shit.
I'll show you what's under this hood.
Alright, let's see it.
Totally a 2J. That's a 2J right there.
Oh, look at that 2J.
That turbo.
This
Look
right
at
here is the
that.
turbo.
Oh, it's got the doohickey on it? Holy shit.
Look at that fat turbo. Oh
Yeah, look at
my
that shit.
god.
And then this is the second turbo.
Oh
And then the Pro Charger's right there.
Oh, yo, are those wires for nitrous? Holy
Yes.
shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god!
Yeah. What the fuck? Random NPC encounters, bro. What the?
activities go crazy.
Yo, random NPCs, bro. They're everywhere. Oh my god. Where'd these guys go?
That's 30 points right there.
Holy shit, it is.
30 points?
The huzz fuck with the 335. It's a damn.
What the fuck? This guy's coming back. Oh shit. Dude, you can literally hear that. Bing, bing, bing. And the exhaust.
They fuck with the BMW.
They fuck with the Beamer. Yeah, probably.
N54 down. Fuck. I'm about to scan and see what's wrong with it. We had to move locations because sirens were coming in our direction, bro.
Burnt out the spot. It's coming for
The
the
spot's
bees.
burnt. With the dip.
I wasn't trying to stay around to find out.
Bro. Bro, I forgot how to fucking I think you hold the throttle for like 10 seconds for the coolant to start flushing or something. Cause I need a bit coolant before I do the sound clip on mine. Cause fuck.
God damn. You feel that shit in your chest. That shit is so loud, man. What do you guys think? N54 or N55? I don't know, man. This shit's pretty loud. Focus on trying to catch a camera screen. Hitchhike. Creepers here. Bro, that shit's fucking loud.
Is it?
That shit is loud. You can feel that shit. The camera looks so false. I would, but I'm talking about emoji. God damn, my ears hurt. That's it for today's video, guys. Comparing both our 335s, N54 or N55. Let us know down below what you guys think, which one sounds better. Are you guys team N55 or
Are you guys team N54? But anyways, guys, I know a lot of you guys like the F series or the E series, but that's for you guys to decide in the comment section. So, and I'm also gonna give Nikeen, it's .Nikeen on Instagram, a special thanks for bringing out his 335i N55, and he's also the cameraman. Also, special thanks to the cameraman behind the camera. I'll drop his at. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more, and make sure you turn on that bell notification. And it doesn't take that long. Just tap that shit.